Hello, good day, Pera. So this is how you can utilize this. Um, so if you've already put in everything, like for say for example, this one, the street name, all the details of the verge and the depth, the allocations. As you can see, the computation for this can be changed. Okay. If you want to change the quote margin, you can change it to 30%, and it will change to 30% here. If you want it to be at 60, it will be at 60% here. And all throughout the workbook. And then if you change it to 40, it will be at 40% here as well. So let's say it's gonna be at 40%. Once we save it, it will be saved on the database. And by the way, if you need to print out the code, you can do that here. All the summary, the basic information on the main page will be here. You can print it out if you need to give it to your client and whatnot. My printer is off, so that's why it's like that. So here, all the information is already saved in here, and the computation, the total of it. And then when we go back to the pivot table, it will be added here, and this would be the running total for this month. Or you can change it if if in the future there will be additional months, so it will be shown in here. So as what you've requested, there's the cost price. This is the result of this multiplied by this one, and it's automatic. So if you change the formula here, if you need to change whatever's in here, it will also be changed in the pivot, so as in the database. So it's already automated. If you need anything else, if there's anything else you need to change, just let me know. If you have any confusions, just let me know. On you probably are confused with how the formulas are being put in here, because before I was unable to put in the right formula, but now it's already corrected and it's already automated. So if you have any questions, just feel free to shoot me an email. Thank you so much, and I do hope that you're safe and you do have a great day.